Right. So here we have been given the mean height of girls. So how many girls are there in the class? There are 12 girls. And what's the mean height? The mean height is 150 centimeters. And in the same class there are boys, 8 boys. And what is their mean height? 170 centimeters. And what is the requirement here? What are we supposed to find? The mean height of students in the class. What they're asking here is, if we take all 20 students who are in the class into consideration, what is going to be the mean height? Now, why am I saying 20 students? 12 girls and 8 boys altogether make 20 students. So how do we find the mean? First write the formula. Mean equals total of what? Total of the heights. The total of the heights of all 20 students divided by number of students. Total of the heights. Right. Now, what's the total of the heights of these 12 girls? Now, we have been told mean height is 150. Then what's the total of heights if we take all 12 girls into consideration, and if we measure their individual heights and add them together, what will come as the answer? We don't have to know the individual heights since the mean height is given to us. How do we find the total of the heights? 150 multiplied by 12. That is 15 times 12, that is 180, that's 1800 centimeters. Now let's take the boys. What's the total of the heights? In other words, if we take 8 individual heights and add them together, what do we get as the answer? Now, should we individually measure? Not required, since they have given us the mean. Using that we can find the total of the heights. That is 170 times 8. What is 170 times 8? That's 1360 centimeters. So now how to find the mean of all 20 students? So mean equals, what is the total of the heights? That is the total to get the total of the heights of all 20 students. First we take the total of the heights of 12 girls, which is 1800 centimeters, plus what is the total of the heights of 8 boys? That is 1360. So when we add these two together, we get the total of the heights of all 20 students. Divide by n, that is 20. So 1800 plus 1360, that will give us the total of the heights of all 20 students. That give us 0, 6, we are adding 8 plus 3 is 11, 1 remaining. That's 3160. That's the total of the heights of all 20 students divided by the number of students in the class, which is 20. 12 girls and 8 boys. So let's cancel. 0 to 0 cancel. 316 divided by 2 is 158.